Oh,
sabi nila. Okay, ang tanong ko ay way back time ni, I think, si Smith said. You know, kilala ni si Smith said? What is the essence of si Smith said? Yung karay ko. Pag-ninja. Okay, here's your question. What is the essence of being a man?
thank you for that wonderful and mind-boggling question. That's pretty good enough. And I consider myself on fourth runner-up. Essence of being a man is para rumami ang mga people. Kung walang man, walang people. Meron lang akong sasabihin, ngayon lang tumangyayari yan. Baka ating nyo, ating ako.
Well, yun yan.
Di ba malay?
Ginawa ko lang ito para sa just for fun. Ilan siya ba?